A warm welcome to everyone. I hope that you all are doing good. Welcome to Adya's News channel. Myself, Pranutna, and I'm here as broadcast presenter for this week's news. I'm sure that you all are excited to know about our college. Okay, so we have Snigdha as an in-house informer to say about our college updates.
Hello everyone, this is Snigdha here with you, the Adya in-house informer. Online learning is not the next big thing. It is now the biggest thing. And e-learning doesn't just happen. It requires careful planning and implementation. People expect to be bored by online classes. But teachers at Adya show them that it doesn't have to be like that. They create an interactive learning experience, encourage the students to think out of the box, connecting theory with real life experience. Moving on, at the elementary level, the students need support and guidance due to the rapid change and growth that they experience. The world is changing swiftly. Just when they think they have learned one thing, something new comes along. This type of change could be overwhelming, but not when you have a caring and a thoughtful counselor. Wondering who it is? Well, it is none other than Annapurna ma'am. First of all, a hearty congratulations to you, ma'am. An amazing teacher, a good friend, and now a counselor too. Students can't achieve academically when they can't cope with social and emotional problems. Well, not to worry. Our counselor, Annapurna ma'am, is a caring person with a head full of knowledge, heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand always willing to help. Last but not the least, let us all join in the Google Classroom of all subjects and also the exam classroom of the respective subjects with the codes given. Complete the assignments before deadline, analyze and research on the case studies, and try finishing a case study a week. And please do participate in Talent of the Week and Topic of the Week contests. That's all I have for you in this edition. The news and updates continue on Adya's news channel. Stay tuned.
Wow, thank you Snigdha. Let us begin with Nishmita and Ashna with the political news.
Today's news is presented by Nishmita Behra. 30 members were arrested in New York City during protest over black. President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Green Nation during Dashra and Diwali. Rupees 18 lakhs were seized by BJP candidates relative ahead Telangana by poll. Actress Kushbu Sundar to apologize Congress party to calling it as an mentally retarded party. Case loads in AP increases to 8.1 lakhs. Telangana reports new 837 COVID-19 cases. Rupees 200 crores were granted by CM Jagan Mohan Reddy for repairs and developments of national highways, which is maintained by state government of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, this is Ashna and today I am here to report you the political news. Ex-Union Minister Dilip Ray was convicted for criminal conspiracy and was sentenced for 3 years jail. Rajnath Singh inaugurated a new road in Sikkim which will hopefully strengthen and support the defence. Supreme Court rejects Tamil Nadu's plea for 50% OBC quota in medical colleges. Batkama festivities turned a low-key affair in Hyderabad as most of the women didn't play Batkama due to the COVID-19 pandemic. India, the second most populous country, also the second highest number of infections after the US, records lowest daily increase in COVID cases in 3 months. Judiciary should ensure the right to privacy is upheld, says Justice B.N. Sri Krishna. Government paves way for all Indians to buy land in Jammu and Kashmir, notifies new land laws. Union Minister Ram Das tests positive for COVID-19, hospitalized in Mumbai. News to be continued on Adya's news channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you Nishmita and Ashna for this information. Next we have Kirti here to present the economic news.
Hi friends, welcome to Adya's news channel. You're watching business news and today's headlines. Startup group likely to buy majority stake in online grocery Big Basket. Markets ending green on hopes of higher inflow after MSCI index reject. Future retail may go into liquidation if Reliance deal fails. Sensex sheds 540 points to end at 40,145 Reliance share at its lowest since August. Stocks to watch: Nestle, JSW Steel, Tech Mahindra, Polycab, SBI Life and L&T. PM Modi to interact with CEOs of leading oil gas companies on Monday. Reliance rolls back salary cuts, offer bonus. L&T Q2 result. Net profit falls 45% to rupees 1,410 crores. Firm announces dividend at the rate 18 rupees per share. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirti. Moving on, we have Aarti to tell us about entertainment news.
Welcome to Adya's news channel. This is Miss Merriment with the latest entertainment news. Kajal Agarwal tops Samantha Akineni and Anushka Shetty to the most loved Telugu actress on social media. Shraddha Kapoor is the new Nagin on the big screen. Hrithik Roshan's mother, Pinky Roshan, tested negative for COVID-19. Rakesh Roshan confirms that she's fine now. Naga Shaurya's new movie with Anish Krishna has launched with a puja ceremony in Hyderabad. RRR movie teaser has released. Junior NTR as Komaram Bhim looks and moves battle-hardened warrior. Priyanka Chopra to start shooting for the new Hollywood film reportedly titled Text for You. Kajal Agarwal enjoys the last 2 days as Miss Kajal before a big wedding ceremony. Hey Dil Hai Mushkil completes 4 years. Karan Johar heartfelt message to his fan thanking them for their abundant love. Sonakshi Sinha worked non-stop for 10 years, never had such a long break. Before getting Oscar for Joker, Joaquin Phoenix has rejected as Batman. Sultan First Look has released. Karthi is ready with another action film in Tamil. Vijay Sethupathi withdraws from Murlaya Muthitharan biopic, a request from the cricketer. Stylist star Allu Arjun is getting ready for the Pushpa movie shooting. Energetic star Ram Potineni read film to be released in Sankranti. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.
Thank you, Aarti. Last but not the least, now we have Kirti with the sports updates.
This is Kiriti. Today I am going to present the sports news. Firstly, from IPL 2020, England all-rounder Ben Stokes was hero for Rajasthan Royals as he scored 107 in just 60 balls and completed his half-century in just 31 balls. Playoff battle heals up as Kings 11 Punjab and Kolkata Knight Riders looks to waste no time. RCB vs CSK. It might be painful, but MS Dhoni happy with the performance of Chennai Super Kings youngsters. In Australia vs India, National Cricket Academy asked BCCI to submit their final team as Ishan Pant is unfit. F1 race, Hitmaisen breaks a new record and gained the 92nd win in the Portuguese GP. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiriti. That's all for this week's news. Our audience will be back with more updates. Stay tuned, stay safe. Signing off, Pranotna.